Welcome to my channel.
Arlo Essential Spotlight Camera Setup. 1. Set up the Arlo app. Start by downloading the Arlo Secure app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play App Store. Create a new account or log into your existing Arlo account to get started. The app will help guide you through adding your new Arlo Essential wired video camera. When prompted, select Add New Device and Essential. Be sure to select the correct product. You'll want to tap Essential Indoor Wired Security Camera. 2. Gather the right tools. Now that your app is set up, confirm you have all the right tools at your disposal. Depending on placement, you may need a Phillips head screwdriver with a 6mm drill bit to mount your new camera to the wall.
Also, you'll want to make sure that the outlet you plan to plug your camera into is within adequate range of the router. Three. Connect to Wi-Fi and sync the Arlo app. Make sure your phone and Arlo device are both connected to the same 2.4 GHz network and enter your correct Wi-Fi credentials. You don't need an Arlo Smart Hub or base station to use the Arlo Essential Indoor Camera. To continue the setup process, use the included micro USB cable and power adapter to connect to an outlet and then plug the micro USB end into the back of the camera. After the privacy shield opens on the camera, you can press Tap to continue. Now you're ready to set up the Arlo Secure app. Hold the QR code from the app towards the camera and listen for the success tone. Name your camera with a unique descriptor, and follow the prompts. The firmware will then take a few minutes to update. 4. Place the camera. To mount to a wall, use the included wall mount and screw kit. Position the wall mount with the arrow pointing upward. Then, use your new drill bit to secure the screws to the wall. When secure, slide the base of your camera downward until you hear a click. Pro tip: insert the custom cable holder to position the wire neatly in place. Always keep camera and doorbell wiring organized for ease of use. For optimal night vision visibility, consider elevating your camera to leverage the 130 degrees viewing angle. Be sure to test the camera view and motion detection functionality. Feel free to adjust camera placement as needed. 5. Set up an Arlo Secure plan. After the camera is set up, click Continue. The app will automatically prompt you to set up Arlo Secure, our subscription service that allows you to get personalized notification of events in a matter of seconds.